Hey guys, so today we're going to be making 2-ingredient slime. So let's get started. The first ingredient is toothpaste. And the second ingredient is oil. It can be any type of oil. And by the way, for the toothpaste you have to use Colgate. And you'll need a microwave safe bowl. So first, you'll have to put a little bit of toothpaste or the amount of toothpaste you want, and I'm just gonna put the toothpaste right now. So I put my little bit of toothpaste because I didn't want to waste toothpaste. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. Don't add too much like I did in this clip. Oopsies. So now we're going to microwave it for 10 seconds. If you want to make it more, then it's okay. So be right back. So I'm done microwaving it, and now we're just gonna mix it around a little bit, and then yeah, your slime is done. So as you can see, it's a little bit oily because I added way too much oil. So this is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Bye guys.